Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to uh, install hotkey or shortcut key to your OBS Studio. So first, open the OBS Studio right here. In the settings, uh, click this settings and then select hotkey. So this is where you can assign keyboard shortcut to almost every function in OBS Studio. Okay, then let's find the start and stop recording. So I already set this hotkey to start recording, and numlock asterisk. This one is numlock asterisk, and this one is slash. So as you can see, my start recording is slash. So when I press this, it will start recording. Okay, so let's change the other hotkey. Just click it and let's press F8, and then this one is F9. Okay, just click apply and OK. Okay, when I press F8, then boom, the recording is starting. Okay, then let's stop by pressing F9. So that's it. That's how easy it is. You can also assign hotkey to for start streaming, stop streaming, pause recording, mute microphone, unmute microphone, switch scene, show and hide sources. So it's up to you. Thank you for watching, guys.